Ekene gị bụ ndị ọma na-ege m ntị biko na ama m na a lot of you afuchago this that video. I refuse to share that video. That video is too barbaric to share. I don't know kedi ihe dị ihe ahụ. Kedi ihe dị ihe ahụ. As a human being, you dare not justify ogbugbu egbulu ụmụazị ahụ. Ana m achọgị nka njọ. Kedu onye bụ Governor of Imo State or Hope Uzodimma ka ọ Commander Gentle? Who is now the Governor of Imo State? Or Hope Uzodimma ka ọ Commander Gentle? And to you, can be the good na Hope Uzodimma, and to you, Hope Uzodimma, what have you been doing to safeguard the life of the people? Can the opposition una hijack is it because una like your Hope decided to fight Hope government with everything within your power? And decide to fight Hope within without even not remorseful for Ibundu begging. Una the remorseful. You can do everything to right wrong. The tenor of Hope Uzodimma. Ihe ọbụla mee within an Igbo ekwesị ka ọ bụla na table ka treat ya ka onye ọbụla ga-ala onwe ya because anyị niile na-asụ ofu asụsụ. Gbuo anwa ọ mgbe gboo ka anyị na-anụ ya n'ugwu Hausa. Mana kịta gịnị the thing batazi na ba ebili. Just because now some people enter the power. Some people enter the power and thinking they will have to use the life of people from Mbele. And to you, Commander Gentle, he that goes to equity must come with clean hands. He that goes to equity must come with clean hands. Commander Gentle, Iboro sent. You are not a saint, or onye make a saint, and Amofube maybe Afuro maybe Mazen Nam the canon away or day nege as a liberation army commander. Afuro maybe Mazen Nam the canon colon or we kuiligatu okwa signal no go wabu commander. Because we all know the history. I'm only able to go that position. You know, he will mad. He will somebody will legal ever. I just want you to say he that comes to equity must come with clean hands. And we only able well legal dear. Now, sit boy neighbor sent man. I'm a man of Bubunda no Ibu. This boy Ibu has stained your hand. You are not a leader, you are not a commander. Ihe na-arụ is an occultic organization. You are running an occultic organization. How do I mean? Now, to you, it's in these boys, Mbuli Gwegi, J. Oshik or the Haje Patrol. Ihe agwa mulu aka oya okwesị ito ogologo. Ihe agwa mulu kwesịrị ito ogologo. Because everything those boys did, they learned it from somebody, from you. They learned it from you. Because oki si duha. Ochichi nchibu. Ochichi ogalanya solibie ba mano. If people are not doing what you are supposed to do, Unana Commander Gentle or occultic organization who give you power to take life that you did not create? Who gave you that power? Kedu onye nye gị power ka iwepụ ndụ na bụrụ gị wake? Ichebe ụmụazị mmadụ kamera. Ụmụazị mmadụ dị mkpa mmadụ ịtọ kamera. Gbaa ha egbe on live video. Babu Mazim mad on live video. Today I call Mazim Nandakan Nopata. Or Naki so is chinde when I hanyagana tomorrow. Your hands has been stained, you better get her from that place. can work the truth. Your hands has been stained. You better get out from that place. Because man is in a man or baby is in a manner. Kisi parade you maza buha. That is how people will parade uzugi. People ya parade uzugi like this. People will parade uzugi. How did you carry out your investigation? Na ha je wele egbe je oshi or je ebe nwano apata na akọ yati. Okay, what stop you? What if you want to set the example? Why not punish them? If you set the example, why not punish them? Onye obula na support this barbaric act jukwa na obulu ya na obulu mwanne ke Igbolona. Before you come to support this act, go and ask yourself, Obuna eha aketa ni n'obodo oyibo na akwado this barbaric act of movement anụnwa na akwado ya, tomorrow you will fu ụmụ nwanne gị ka akpọ na camera gba ha egbe like this, ijeje confirm oburu na ha indeed the ozu ha were later found lying on the street. Their blood has been used to water the earth, the ground in which we all are managing. Kaimana or Hadalon Obana Namakandi Bonataba. Now, Commander Gentwina, Emakwi here, did you even think before you made this thing? Emakwi? Do you know how many investors EHS are away in an Igbo because of this act of your cowardness, Aime? Do you know the kind of big men here drive out in an Igbo? Kitayana as a Kukus also Imo State. We are talking about Igboland as a whole. No more than Hajeladati ni Johanna half London outside the Hasagimba or Molani no Habu. In that video confession, Gina Hame, in on a Habulum mother. Omoronya Habu was in a Hazulu phone. Na Hazulu phone or Nengi Waina Unana Heja Tolonde Mara Ubatana Campo. Hygiena Funde Madana Ubatana Campo, Nana phone, Nana ATM, Nana Lanka. Yes, I have Mutu maybe in Uzana Hana look her phone because no you name at that camp. A potential Mazam Made when you Babu on live video dim eton. Uji Madana Ibu Balana Zato Nojo. Ndona Brogo Ake. It is a promise. It is a promise that he that only Obuma is Naman or Baby is Nam Commander Gento Ayabuzuga Abuko Gaddafi. Ayabuzuga, Aya those Gina street, and your corpse will be humiliated. And to everybody now support this evil act, and can you go and ask yourself, Obolo no Mazia Bulu one nege. I keep saying it again. And this is also a message to everybody now no camp somewhere in the name of Commander Gento Commander, because Amaro Monyemele that Commander Hobo. It is time for people to find your way. Mama Onye Neso Nazu is a blood sucker. Oh no Balakobo, Ona Ngobala. Oh no Balakobo. Even one negindi bukibu na live video. What a non Hausa. Hausa who give you the right to take life that you did not create. In a fight for the justice of Ndibu, and to everybody on a camp, everywhere, no. It's time for you people to leave. How will you feel that your colleague in on a camp will say no phone? Okay, why didn't you as a commander punish them or dismiss them? Say on no account will I see you people near everywhere. And anybody that sue me, I know now bako. You let them be. Hagabalo how you dismiss them. And I mean both in military. Man, for you to come and live video it shows that we are running an occultic movement in our own. And you must be held responsible for all the atrocities in Yemen and Igbo. For this one email shows that your hands are not clean. Your hands are not clean. Commander Gento Yohobuna Fagebokwa. Madam Gento de Yahoo. And to everybody that supported this evil act. Everybody that support here. Are you boom one no in a camera like this? Are you boom one nigga? Big in a camera like this? Obona Commander General Igbo Nigerian Army egbuegi, police egbuegi, or in one accident. No matter no business we enjoy, all of you will not escape it. Unama nakata, omam nakata dilono namma. Omandana talono namma. Oha. Yeah, be hojo, boy hojo. I don't care how you want to reason it. Hojo be hojo. Onara few na runa sina mother busabu. Yes, na bolo na mbusabu mwana. Na bolo na mbusabu mwana. Mana kwa this evil act, me Commander General and whoever that supports you. Okay, Yesoro. In case Yesoro, it is time for you to be held responsible for the lives of Ndi Igbo Nefunani Ibai. It is time for you to be held responsible for it. Government declare again on again okay. Command Gaddafi Archangel 3 million. It is too small. How can we upgrade that to like 10 million? See what here like 10 million or 20 or 50. See what here like 20 or 50. This act no name kedi ha no me kita kedi ke ho di iche na ndi Boko Haram ni mnabo mmadu video agbabu sende mmadu na video. Kedi, what is the difference? What is the difference between you, Commander General ha no me na ndi na mgbago Hausa n'eti ndị mmadụ na video agbabukwa ha ma ndị ha na-ebe isi na video? What is now the difference? Both of you are terrorists. The both of you are terrorists, and you should be treated as one. Oha.